me pain, give me myself again. Give me life, give me back, give me myself.